Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometry. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, here I am on grade 5 math. The chapter we're going to start with is geometry. Let's just start with the first lesson. That is area of squares and rectangles. What is the area? So you are given with a rectangle and you have to find the area of the rectangle, right? You are given the height and the base of the rectangle. Hold on. Okay, so here is the height of the triangle and here is the base of the triangle. So whenever we have to find the area of the rectangle, we have to use the formula that is base times height, right? Area of the rectangle is base times height. So you need to do 12 times 11. So 12 times 11 is 132 meter square. Got it? The area of the rectangle is always length time base time height, right? The correct option is, so the area of the rectangle is base times height. Okay, the next one is you are given with a rectangle. You have to find the area of the rectangle again. So area of the rectangle is always the base times height. This is the height and this is the base. So you have to do 12 times 6, that equals 72 feet square, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. What is the area? So you are given a square, right? Square has all four sides equal in measurement. So you are given with a square. So you have to do the area of the square is always area of, you can note down these very important from that is length time length, right? The length is 5 and 5. So that is 25 square kilometers, right? The correct option is 25 square kilometer. That is option number 2, right? Area of the square is length time length because square has all four sides equal in length. So you have to multiply 2 of the length, that is 25 square kilometer. Got it? The next one is what? Okay, the next one is what is the area? So you are given the rectangle, you need to find the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is length time base time height, right? This is the height of the rectangle and this is the base. So area of rectangle is, Area of rectangle is base times height. The base is 13 and height is 23. So 13 times 23 is 299 square yards. The correct option is 299, right? So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, what is the area? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is base times height. So 24 times 17 is 408. Very good. The correct option is option number 2. That is 400 square yards. Very good. The next one is what is the area? You are given a square. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is you have to do 18 times 18. The correct option is 324 square yards. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is what is the area you are given with the rectangle? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 5 times 6, that is 30 square kilometers. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 16 square miles. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What is the area? Which is the correct option? You have to do 25 times 18. That is 450, right? The correct option is option number 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is types of triangles. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is types of triangles. So you are given, basically we have three types of triangle. They are isosceles, equilateral, and isosceles, equilateral, and the third one is I forgot the name. Mm, Isosceles, equilateral, and okay, let's see. Okay, the first one is what kind of triangle it is, right? You are given a triangle, two of the side lengths equal 19, and the third one is 9, right? That means two of the side lengths are equal in the triangle. So that means this triangle is isosceles. The two of the because two of the side lengths are equal, but not quadrilateral, right? Quadrilateral means the third all the three sides must be equilateral mean all the three sides have the same length, right? Equilateral, isosceles, and I forgot the name of the third one. Hmm. Okay, isosceles triangle means the triangle that has two side lengths equal. Equilateral triangle is the one that has three of the side lengths are equal, and the third one I forgot the name. None of the side is equal in length, right? Okay, just look at the other example. What kind of triangle it is? So just look at the triangle. The triangle has all three sides equal in measurement, right? So that means that is the equilateral triangle, right? The correct option is equilateral triangle. Okay, what kind of triangle it is? Okay, if you have to look for the angles, all the angles are less than 90 degrees, right? Yes, the third one is Kiran. Very good. Thank you so much. I just forgot the name actually. So all the three angles are less than 90 degrees, right? So that means the triangle is a acute triangle, right? Acute triangle it is basically acute triangle. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what kind of triangle it is? You are given the angle 61 degrees, 82 degrees, and 37 degrees. So which is the correct option? The correct option is acute triangle. All three angles are less than 90 degrees. So that is a acute triangle, right? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, what is this triangle isosceles? So which is the correct option? The correct option is no. Isosceles triangle means all the three and two of the angles are equal, right? Okay, the third one is what kind of triangle is this? Which is the correct option? The correct option is right angle triangle, right? Because one of the angle is 90 degrees. So whenever you have an angle with 90 degrees measurement, that means that is a right angle triangle. Got it? What kind of triangle it is, which is the correct option? The correct option is equilateral triangle because all of the side lengths are exactly equal. So that is equilateral triangle. What kind of triangle it is? Yes, that is an obtuse triangle because one of the angle is greater than 90 degrees. Then this one, the one that has the measurement 96 degrees, right? So that is the obtuse triangle. If one of the angle is greater than 90 degrees, then the triangle is obtuse triangle. Got it? The correct option is this triangle scalene? No, this is not a scalene triangle because all the angles have exactly same measurement. So how it is scalene, right? Scalene is the one that has have all the angles different in measurement. What kind of triangle it is? Yes, that is acute triangle because all of the angles are less than 90 degrees, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is open and closed shapes. Okay, is this shape open and closed? So how do we know if a shape is open and closed? First, you have to trace the shape, right? If you start and end at the same point, that means the shape is closed, right? But if you start and end at different points, that means the shape is open. Got it? That means you need to trace the shape. If your starting and ending point is exactly same, that means the shape is closed. And if the you when you trace the shape, if you start and end at different points, that means the shape is closed. Open, sorry, right? Okay, let's just start with the first question, that is this shape open or closed? Which is the correct option? The correct option is closed, it is right, because you start and end at the same point. When you trace the shape, you start and end at the same point, so that is a closed shape. Very good. Is this shape open or closed? The correct option is yes, that is a closed shape. Open? No, that is a closed shape, right? The next one is is this shape open or closed? The correct option is open, right? Is this shape open or closed? The correct option is open. Is this shape open or closed? The correct option is closed shape, it is right. Is this shape open or closed? The correct option is closed. Is this shape open or closed? The correct option is open, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is regular and irregular polygons. Let's just start with the lesson. The correct option is the shape is an irregular polygon, right? This is an irregular polygon. If its side have different lengths and its angle have different measures, right? So if you have a polygon given that have different side lengths, that means that is the irregular polygon, right? A regular polygon with five sides look like this. This is a regular polygon, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Is this side a regular polygon? The correct option is yes, that is a regular polygon because the all three side lengths are equal in measurement. So that is a regular polygon, right? Is this shape a regular polygon? Yes, that is exactly the same shape. So yes. Is this shape a regular polygon? The correct option is no, this isn't a regular polygon. The correct option is no. Irregular polygon it is, right? Is this shape a regular polygon? The correct option is yes, it is a regular polygon. Very good. Yes, pentagon it has five sides. Is this shape a regular polygon? The correct option is yes, it is a a regular polygon. Again, that is a pentagon. Is this shape a regular polygon? The correct option is no, this isn't a regular polygon, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is number of sides in polygon. How many sides does an octagon have? So which is the correct option? The correct option is octa means 8, right? So octagon have 8 sides. Very good. Let's just start with the test questions. How many sides does a quadrilateral have? So which is the correct option? The correct option is quad means 4, right? So the quadrilateral have 4 sides, right? How many sides does an octagon have? Yes, octagon have 8 sides. The correct option is 8. The correct option is heptagon. How many sides does heptagon have? The correct option is 7 sides, right? Heptagon have 7 sides. How many sides does a nonagon have? Nonagon have 9 sides. The correct, yes, the hepta means 7, nona means 9. So nonagon have 9 sides, right? How many sides does a triangle have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3. Tri means 3, right? So the triangle have 3 sides. How many sides does a decagon have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is decagon. Deca means 10, so the decagon have 10 sides. How many? Okay. How many sides does hexagon have? The correct option is hexa means yes, that is 6 sides. The correct option is 6. How many sides does a pentagon have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is pentagon have 5. Penta means 5. 5 sides. Yes, hexa have means 6. How many sides does an octagon have? The correct option is octa means 8 sides, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. You can complete the lesson on your own, right? Okay, so we were working on grade 5 math. The chapter we're working on is geometry. The lessons we have covered today are area of squares and rectangles, types of triangles, open and closed shapes, regular and irregular polygons, and number of sides in polygons, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. Right? Any questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.